This message is transmitted from the request of the New York City Police Department. We have been getting reports from kids that involve random creatures coming out of their closet. The parents were very confused on why the kids were screaming overnight.
Well, kids say that monsters have been coming out of their closet. Stay tuned for any updates. This message is transmitted from the request of the New York City Police Department. A couple minutes ago, kids say that monsters were coming out of their closet and scaring them.
But now, 2 monsters were reported on the loose and are scaring a bunch of kids, including adults and teenagers. Stay tuned for any updates. Breaking news. 2 monsters were reported on the loose in New York City and scaring people. We have now found information about them. One of them is green and looks like a ball, and has one big eyeball. The name is not identified at this time. The other one is a blue furry monster with purple dots.
The name is not identified at this time. They are still scaring people and are now attacking them. If you see any of these monsters that were described, please call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for any updates.
This message is transmitted from the request of the New York City Police Department. Police are looking for a child named Andy Davis, age 11, 5 feet 2 inches tall. He was last seen wearing a green shirt, blue shorts, and a cowboy hat. He was abducted by the blue furry monster. The name of both monsters have now been identified.
The name of the blue one is James P. Sullivan, Sully for short. The green one is named Mike Wazowski. Andy is believed to be in extreme danger. If you see Sully, Mike, or the child named Andy, call 911. The big guns will be showing up soon. The leader, Jared the Killer Master, will make an announcement about the team. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. Andy Davis has still not been found. The leader of the big guns, Jared the Killer Master, has announced that there are 2 new members, which are Plush City and Metal Fist Games. And Jared the Killer Master also announced that EAS Raw Rices is now the co-leader of the big guns.
Sully has now created something that is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted from the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Sully had created a huge speaker where everyone across the entire United States can hear it. As of now, when Sully does his roar, it could now kill someone in seconds.
When Sully roars into the speaker, and everyone hears it, everyone would be killed in seconds. If you hear the roar, cover your ears immediately. Mike Wazowski was found dead. He was killed by Jared the Killer Master. Andy Davis was also found safe at an abandoned house. The child abduction emergency has now ended. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted from the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The speaker that Sully made had now been destroyed. Sully now made a giant speaker where everyone around the world would hear it.
This is a very dangerous situation. Sully entered Metal Fist Games while trying to stop him. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted from the request of the United States government. Sully roared into the speaker, but afterward, a huge explosion happened and killed Sully. But the explosion was caused by someone in purple.
We believe Barney Error was the one who caused the explosion. Jared the Killer Master says that Barney Error is a friendly dinosaur that wants to join the Big Guns. Wait, Jared has confirmed that Barney Error is now officially on the Big Guns. You may now resume to your normal program.